Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. As we close out our work week, we have a frosty scene out there in the Devil's Lake area. Thanks to our friends at Home of Economy checking out that grove of trees. You can see on the treetops there that frost depositing itself on trees once again. Now, as we take a look at our current conditions in Fargo, 21 degrees, a west-southwest wind at 10 miles per hour. Grand Forks, what a beautiful night there. A couple of stars in the sky. And with even just a little bit of clearing, temperatures cooling into the mid-teens there. Feels like 5 with that 8-mile-per-hour wind. Coolest temperature out near Langdon at, well, 14. And we have 11 in Mobridge, South Dakota. 22 for Paul Bunyan this hour, as staying milder there, but I'm still certain he's reaching for the flannel here. 25 in Roseau, 21 Detroit Lakes, and 23 for you in Fergus Falls. Here's a look at the satellite and the radar. We do have that clear patch that's working its way into the Northern Valley right now. More clearing behind it near Minot. And along the leading edge of the clouds, we have some light flakes of snow and flurries taking place, moving through the James River Valley into the Cheyenne River Valley right now. This isn't substantial, but again, some greasy roads and, maybe not even all of that making its way down to the ground. We are seeing some reduced visibility down near that Oaks area. Other than that, though, it's a little better. Alexandria down to 1 mile. And our eastern counties, as you'll see here in the model, have the best chance at seeing some spits of snow and overnight clouds and fog. The clearing that moves in from the north and west will allow temperatures to drop into the low teens, maybe even some brief single digits here and there across northeast North Dakota. Chance of a flake or two along the international border here as advertised by this model, and again, patchy areas of fog possible, with temperatures, thanks to the cloud cover in Minnesota in the morning, a little milder and in the mid-teens. Looks like a great day, a chance at seeing some sun. Look at this. Oh, I can't do it. Okay, pretty nice looking skies there across the west. A few clouds to the east and temperatures rising to the 20s once again. But thanks to that clear in the skies, we will cool fairly quickly tomorrow night. This is what it looks like in Fargo. 12 to start, warming up to 24 degrees. There's some peaks of sun. In fact, looking pretty good there as we go through the mid-afternoon hours, and then late temperatures falling fairly quickly into the single digits. Temperatures near 20 across greater Minnesota. Will be 20 to 25 for our North Dakota counties for most of us. And then here's a look at our Clipper train that will be working its way through. One gets developing this weekend. By Sunday night, we'll have an increase in clouds. This Clipper will arrive as we get into Monday, but stay north of us. So we'll have some snow and some wind the way it looks, but our northern counties will be impacted the most greatly. The second Clipper dives a little farther south. This one will bring a better chance of some snow and wind to the area. This one happens on Wednesday morning. Give it another couple days, and here comes round number 3. This one dives even farther down to the south, and as it does so, it's going to grab into some more moisture and throw it up our way, and that will bring a better chance of some flakes and wind, and behind it, some mighty cold temperatures. Here's the digits as we go through the weekend. Quiet, sun, and temperatures, well, rising to 31 on Monday as that first Clipper works its way through. Cooler the remainder of the week. In fact, we'll call it downright cold Thursday and Friday. Clipper 2 on Wednesday, Clipper 3 on Friday, and not warm at all. So.
No, and not one big storm, but kind of rounds of stuff to keep our eye on next week.
Right, and if I'm going to try to sing like that, I need to gargle some lemon water or something before then.
Cough drops.
Cough drops.